Hello, this is Mrs. Nelson, and I'm going to show you how to solve a 1 by 2 or a 2 by 1 and solve for area on this problem. Okay, so you have this problem, and it probably looks like this on your worksheet. What you are going to do, step number 1, is you're just going to rewrite it as a multiplication problem because area is multiplication. So, rewrite it as 6 times 32. And you're going to find the area. So this is going to be for area. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do is you're going to write 32 in expanded form. So you're going to break your open array and you're going to write 32. 30 plus 2. Okay? And then you're going to multiply the 30 plus 2 times 6. Okay, so you're going to multiply, over here you're going to multiply the 30 and the 2 by 6. Okay, so then you'll have, down here, you'll have, and then you're going to distribute the 6 to the 30 and the 6 to the 2. Distribute the 6 to the 30 and the 6 to the 2. Okay, so you'll end up with an equation that looks like 6 times 30, 6 times 2. And then you are going to solve for 30. 6 times 3 is 18. So this is 18 right here, 18. And then you're going to add the 0. You have to add the 0 right here. You're going to add that 0. Add the 0 behind here, okay? And that'll equal 180. You're going to just multiply 6 times 2 is 12, and then you're going to add 180 plus 12. So, 0. So you're going to add these two guys together. Add them together, okay? So you'll have 0 plus 2 is 2. Then you're going to come over here and add these guys. 8 plus 1 is going to be 9. And then you're going to add 1 plus nothing is 1. So your answer to 6 times 32 is 192. All right, so that is how you solve area or a 1 by 2-digit multiplication problem. I would suggest rewrite it and then solve it. If you have any questions, let me know.